Hello everyone, welcome back. This is your boy YK Panda International and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I've got something really exciting to share with you guys. But before we dive into this one, really want to keep some few things anonymous. Um, like the name and stuff like that. Okay, let's dive into. Well, I started with the reason as to why this bike here was invented. That was one of the main reasons why I also wanted to know why this guy invented this bike. So this guy actually got the bike from a bicycle, the normal bicycle. So he got the normal bicycle, these normal bicycles, and then transformed bicycle into a motorbike. A motorbike. I was really impressed and everything was just okay for him. But now he told us that one of the reasons as to why he came to this innovation was the consumption of fuel because he told us his bike consumes 1 liter like a week. I was really surprised and this was really magic for me. And then I'd never seen this. And then he demonstrated, like, and he told us the distance because he uses this bike to go to school. And in a week, he buys 1 liter of petrol. That's what I was told. And we saw this. And he demonstrated each and everything when we were there. And it was really fun. Wow, the other thing is that this guy is still a student, and for the challenges, he told me, of course, in Africa, it's money. Because I tried to ask him, like, how long does it take to construct, to come up with one bike? And it was like, if he had each and everything, it would even take only 1 week. Can only take him 1 week. But now, as you know, the problem here in Africa, and no one cares about the innovation stuff and things like that. So the only thing was to put this out to the world so that if there's anyone willing to give a hand to support my guy, my brother, so we can change the world together. So please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share the content to the world as I bring more and more for you. Thank you. Wow, this is your boy YK Panda International, the world's most effective autobike effect.